And okay, so I need you guys quietly come here and sit down on this. So we're gonna be all together, okay? All right. And Adam, may you put it away? It doesn't distract you. You put it on your desk. Can you guys see me okay right now?
Yes.
Okay, am I too big? Okay, I'll get down with you, okay, so you guys. First, let me show you two pencils, okay? And Adam, I was thinking about you when I got this one because I remember you were trying to write with that little bitty pencil, but it's pencil kind of this one and this one.
No, I was trying to erase.
Oh, yes, you were trying to erase. Well, you cannot erase with this one, it doesn't have erase. Can you guys tell me which is bigger? Please raise your hand. Sophie, you had your hand
The
first.
green one.
The green one is longer. Do you guys see that? It's obvious. We can say that by looking at them. Now, the question, if I ask you, can you say by how much is the green pencil longer than the yellow one? Can you answer that question? By how much? Adam, how much?
By.
Yes, you see, it's not a question which you can answer right away. Okay? Don't worry that you have to think because you cannot answer that question unless you
By size?
measure those pencils. Unless you know how long is the green or how long is the yellow. When you have two numbers, you can compare them. Make sense? Okay, so you have to measure them to say how long. Okay, all right. So first word I want you guys. Because may I use?
Yes, and there's markers in the
All
basket.
right. Make sure that it's
Yes, it is.
dry erase. Okay, if they're not permanent, that will be better. Okay, measure. To measure. Okay, that's a word. I'm saying measure. Do you guys understand that word?
Yes.
We're gonna measure, okay? Measure them, and I'll show you how, okay? When we measure them, those pencils, we're gonna have a number, certain number which represents how long is the pencil. And that number is gonna be measurement, okay? It's like the word measure, except they're gonna be different end to the word. Measurement. Okay? Alright? And we are gonna measure the length. Length is the longest part of an object. Like this pencil, that's the length. Now I need somebody, raise your hand, to show me what is the length. So you're basically going to take an object and show me what is the length of the stick. Jack, what is the length? Show me. Like for example, I have my pencil. That's between this point and this point is the length. Can you show me the length? So yes, between these 2 points. Very good. Did you guys see how he did? He ran his finger across. That's the length. All right, very good, Jack. Okay, so then I need somebody to show me what the length of this baseball bat. Seth, what is the length? Yes, very nice. So you guys see that? Okay, yeah. Is it okay?
Metal.
Yeah, it is metal and it's old, you know.
Oh, metal.
All the stuff I have, you know. Now, a little bit harder, okay? Not too hard, but a little bit harder. What is the length of the stone?
Oh, that's easy.
Gabriel. Okay. Yes, show me between 2 points. Okay, good. All right. Now, look here, and this is very important, Adam. The length is going to be between these 2 planes, okay? It's not going around like that. It's not gonna slope. It's gonna be straight down. Understand that? Seth, what is your
It's
question?
kind of like the we color lines, the lines, like it makes the whole note thing, and it's like the thing that they're using is like the vertical lines.
Yes, yes, very good. It's a vertical line, exactly. I understand what you say. It's like, for example, if you look at this, it's called tripod. What Seth said, a vertical line, straight down is a vertical line. This line is not vertical. Very good, Seth, very good. But it's a little bit different subject, okay, from what we say. Now, if I have this box, who can show me the length of this box? Jill. Length. Very nice. Okay, so the longest part. Okay, so do you guys understand? Good, Jill. That's the length, and that's not the length. This part is not the longest part. Okay, this is the longest part. Yes. Okay. So far, you know, pretty simple. So word, another word I need you guys to remember. Length. Good. Yeah, I know. You know, when you grow up speaking different languages, it's hard to say stuff. So, measure. We're gonna measure with blocks. Okay, this blocks. All right. And Jill, may I ask you to scoot back where you can see? And I'm gonna try to measure. Let's measure this folder, okay? And Jill, scoot between Seth and Adam. Sophia, scoot right here where you can see. Ava, turn a little bit this way. Yes. So, yeah, right there. Adam, you see? Jack, scoot right here where you can see. Okay, I'm gonna get squat. Right there, you're good. Okay, Gabriel, scoot a little bit back so Gabriel come to face this way. You're gonna, first, I'm gonna measure length. You guys, if you see me doing something which I shouldn't be doing, you guys tell me. So length, okay? I'm measuring the length.
So like you're gonna like measure.
Am I doing it right? Raise your hand.
Yes.
You think I'm measuring?
Yeah.
You said no.
Seth,
Okay, Seth, why do you think what am I doing wrong?
that's the shoes like this.
Oh, well, thank you, Seth. Goodness gracious. Okay, did you guys understand what Seth? Yes? Thank you, Seth. Longest part. You need to remember to measure longest part. Okay? Alright. Scoot back a little bit so everyone can see, okay? Thank you. Are you okay? It's alright. We are all squished. You okay? So, length. Okay. I'm measuring length. You guys ready? So I'm gonna start like that. I'm measuring. Okay, what? If you see something I'm doing wrong, raise your hand. Gabriel, what am I doing?
These have to be back.
Oh, very good. Do you guys understand that you need to measure it between points? Adam, scoot back so Ava can see, okay?
Well, I
Can you see?
can.
Hey, Adam, I can solve that problem really easy. Come sit down, you're gonna help me to with my box, okay? Come right here. It's gonna be on the floor, but alright, so you're gonna give me a box. Alright, so Gabriel, you said very important thing. So you guys understand? I need to start from the very beginning, okay? Gabriel, scoot back so Jack can see. Alright, now I'm gonna. What's going on, Jack? What's going on?
We skipped.
Oh, very good job. So I need to make sure that they are all attached. Make sense?
Yeah.
So I'm measuring. Now I'm measuring these pink ones. Would let's see. Thank you, Adam. I'm putting. Okay.
I got something.
All right. Now, what's wrong, Adam? What do you think?
It's off of the line.
Yes, but we have to take that into account when
But
we
if you
talk
take
about.
this off, it's a little bit better.
Exactly. That's That's a good point. Very good. I like how you guys are very observant. But at this point, let's count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16.
And then, so we have 14. And then we have one more block. How is it going to be 15? Is it going to be
15 and a half.
Hold on. That's 14. 14.
13 and a half.
What did you say? 14 and a half. Very good. 14 and a half. It's about a half word, okay? Now look, the way you write, I'm sorry guys, I'm going to stay between you, okay? I didn't read it. 14 and a half. Ava, Adam, let's focus on this right now. Don't worry about it, okay? 14 and a half. So I'm writing number 14. It is still dry erase marker. 14 and a half. Half. That's how you write half. Make sense? All right. So half. Let's make it less of Miss Kosak. Word 1, line 2. That's how you write half. Make sense?
Yeah.
1 half. Half, okay? All right. Very good, Ava. Guys, you're real smart. I'm real proud of you. Now let's think. That's actually a very precise way to describe it. But how can we else say 14 and how? What would be the different way to say more than 14? Okay? 14.
Less.
We can say less than 15, right? Or we can say more than 14, okay? All right? Do you guys understand that?
Yeah.
All right. So what I would like us to do, Eva, may I ask you to put that back in a box? Let me have Gabriel, you're gonna work with Sophia, okay? Hayden, you're gonna be partners with Jack, all right? Adam, you're gonna be partners with Seth.
Yeah.
Jayla, you're gonna be partners with Ava, all right? I like you, we're all friends, guys. We all been here.
Oh, he's shaking his head.
Oh.
Marker.
Seth, look at me. Adam, look at me. We need to work together.
I want to work with him, but he doesn't want to work with me.
Is it, I'm pretty sure you're okay to work with Adam. So we are good.
Well,
Okay?
he was
Adam, you said yes, okay? So listen carefully, guys. We're gonna take our notebooks, okay? And we're gonna open page 1 on,
It's got Irish format.
oh, perfect. Thank you very much, Viscous. So, with your partner, but each of you gonna have a page, okay? You're gonna put a name and today's date, and then we're gonna measure, okay? There will be 2 groups of objects. Objects are exactly the same length and the same size, all right? So, and we're gonna use these linking cubes, okay? Right? Can we share them? Just share them? Oh, Adam, leave it there. So,
Thank you.
put it down, please. What you can do, Adam, pass these papers to everybody, okay? So, one group of objects is going to be here, okay? We have baseball
Pass it to
there.
us, Adam.
Adam, give it to everybody right now here. Okay, thank you. Right? So, baseball bat. Okay, I'm going to put it right here. Good.
Awesome.
So, they're exactly the same size. The same length. All right. Everybody got the paper? Adam, are you done with your house? Tennis rackets. Look at me. The same size. We need to, eyes on me, measure the longest part. The longest part, okay? So I'm gonna here and here.
Who has an extra paper?
Did you put it on your desk? No? But Adam, don't worry about it. You're gonna, Adam will do. Just share this set. You're gonna write, he's gonna measure, then you're gonna switch. He's gonna measure, you're gonna write. You're gonna put both names on the paper, okay? Now, my friends, 2 rhythm sticks, okay? Measure them. Okay, right here. Gabriel, put it right there for me. Okay. 2 books, okay? Guys, are you counting objects? How many objects do we have so far?
2,
4. Jack, there are 4? Excellent. Okay, now 2 boxes. Remember, longest ones, longest part. Okay. 5. Okay. All right. Maracas, little baby maracas. We are all gonna do that. Okay. 6. All right. 6. Okay. Well, let's see. Weights. Yes, to work out. Okay, so we're gonna have one right there. One right there.
We don't have any.
All right, boys, are you ready? My girls, you might think it's cool too. You know, that's my favorite. You guys know that? Nunchucks. I know that.
I have
All right.
those guys.
You do. I know the one. Okay, so we are not gonna do nunchucks thing. Okay, so it's very tempting, I have to say. All right. Thank you for demonstration. They are the same size, but look at me. Seth, focus, Seth, eyes on me. You guys gonna put them like that together, and measure them like that, because like Gabriel said, they are the same size. I need a measurement, the length only of one of this. My friends, if I catch you doing any kind of martial arts with nunchucks, you're gonna be in trouble. Martial arts, you're gonna leave it for martial arts. It's empty. Put it down, okay? So, no fighting in so many different ways. Listen, the way you guys gonna do it. It's a group. So 8. Thank you, Jack, for keeping us. So 8. Adam. Well, I am a PE teacher, so you guys have to kind of allow and music too. That's where music comes from. So, working with your partner. I need you guys. I'm gonna be available to answer any questions you have. With your partner, you're gonna start. Say, for example, Adam is my partner. Come here. Okay. Look, Adam. Let's measure. Okay. Let's nunchucks. We're gonna. And guys, if somebody else has nunchucks, not a big deal. You guys are all gonna work. Have a tune with each of them. Make sense? Yeah. So we're gonna hold it. All right, together. You're gonna. Alright, so we're gonna measure them, right? We're gonna connect those three groups, measure them, count them together. If it's not exact number, what do we call it?
Something in the half.
Yes, something in the half, Seth. Very good. Just like Seth saying, Jack, you paying attention? Yes, Hayden? Yeah. Something in the half. But look, you have to be very careful with it. If it's about in the middle, that's your half. But if it's almost, right for me, almost 4. Make sense? Right for me, almost 4. If it's Jayla, did you hear this? Repeat what I said. If it's almost to the end, you're gonna write almost. Gabriel, if it's almost, what do we call that? If it's right here, almost what?
4.
Almost Ava. 3. Make sense? Almost 3. Almost 4. Almost 3. Alrighty. So after we do that, after we measure it, we're gonna go back to our desk with both of our papers. Write nunchucks and write a number, 12 or whatever. Make sense? Alright. So you can nunchucks. Okay, go to Seth. Okay, so share blocks. After you measure, bring them, put them in a group. Let's make it happen. Okay? Alright, good. Start with nunchucks.
We're using this.
Be the same, it'll be the same function.
We're using this.
Adam, what did I say?
I want you to bring it right here. We're doing this.
You can do it right here.
What
Okay?
do we do? Like it on our paper?
Lay down. You can lay down any way you want to. And measure. It's not alright. It's gonna be alright. Be careful with those bets and measure. Find a spot.
Make sure you have blocks. You need blocks.
So you need more blocks, Adam. Need more blocks. Get some blocks. Yes, you can use different colors because they are the same size. Put it, Jill, put it on the floor that way it doesn't fall down.
Oh my gosh, guys! Those things
Alright. So there are 8 different objects. Please make sure that you do all of them.
It's got the box.
So count them. How many is them, Jack?
Oh, wait. And what do we write here?
You're gonna write bat, baseball bat.
This goes out. I just had to stick it under the purpose.
You guys need to come together. Guys, come together. So make sure that you don't skip. Make it correct. Jack and
Sophia, spell as best you can. Nunchuck.
Ava, Jock is together.
1. It's 3.5, Scott. 3, 4, 5, 6. We have to count. 7. We have to count. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22.
Sam, how many cubes was it?
5, yeah, count. 3.5. Wait, mine wasn't.
Get the cubes and measure.
Mine wasn't. Mine was only 5, 6. Let's go to the restaurant.
Count and measure.
Very good. So, Joyce, Hayden, you need a pencil, bat, write a bat, and write your number. Adam, watch for those your voice Jayla, count together with Ava. Make sure. I know it's fine. I'm totally with you. But are you done with them? How many times? You need only one object. You have right now maracas and
Where's the restaurant?
so, do you need more? Yeah, you can use that and okay, alright, let's play now.
Wait.
Okay. Alright, so good job. So, you need to write nunchucks. How many blocks there? How many? Did you count? I think you are guessing, my friend.
Okay, we need more blocks now.
7, 8, 9.
Wait. I just put tennis bat. I mean, tennis bat. Now remember.
Let's yes. What is the first letter? Right. Yes. What is it? Number. What? Yes.
Two letters
Two
out.
letters. What?
Like umbrella.
Yes. Like not chop. At the end. What was it? This is so you know.
Yeah, there's two kinds of bats. That's like that eyes.
And at the end. Nunchucks. Put it there.
How's this spelled? And Miss Scott, our bats, they already fought.
Put the racket. Just the racket. Like you put a bat. Racket. Racket. Let's do it right. Do you have an eraser?
It's a bat wheel. It's a bat wheel. Miss Scott,
It's a what?
what is this called again?
What kind of bat?
What is this called again?
Yes, there are bats. Maracas. Let's go together.
Bring it. We're giving those people. Bring the bat. They don't know what kind of. This is how you spell maracas. You carry it? Okay. Awesome. It's not heavy. Do you want to do the? Let's take a baseball bat. Yes. No, this heavy. That's not how you. Okay, wait. Let me try. Oh.
Because there are no S. Right.
This is so heavy. Look at it. Do it. Go ahead. Dude, I just did it like that. Okay. Next. You want to Don't do this. Don't do What is that? The cha-cha-cha.
Let's measure that. Okay. Write it together.
You do it like this.
Yes, one of them. Okay, one.
Miss Scott.
Because they are the same length.
How do you spell?
Stick. Guys, that's just a stick.
Adam, spell best you can. Spell what you hear. Okay, that's not the important.